Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so this is my week 31 Robinhood challenge, 0 to $1,000. We were almost there last week. We were just hitting $950, and then I took a little bit of a loss, as you can see. So, actually down quite a bit this week. It says $14.55 right now, but on Robinhood they also calculate unrealized gains. So, with that being said, I did my own research and came out to $9.60 is what I'm down right now. I had 17 trades, and I had 6 winning trades, and I had 11 losing trades. And let me show you why. Now, at the beginning of the week, I was doing really, really well. On the 19th is where we started the week on Monday. Now, I had set myself up on Friday for a few different trades that I wanted to sell. I did get a free share of Zynga for someone signing up with my link. Thank you again for everyone that has used my link to sign up. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are still doing well with your own Robinhood challenge. So, let's get into it right away. I sold Zynga for $3.83 profit. I then sold JNUG for $3.80 profit again, because I did buy JNUG. I did buy JNUG at the beginning of the week here for 130.50 and again for 130.10. So I did make a little bit of money off of that. I sold SPEX and I lost $1.14 on that one. I then sold TNTR and lost $1.78. I sold SINO and lost 9 cents. I then, bought in some more shares. I seen, a good opportunity to buy some JNUG, and I was successful at selling that and making $10.92 on JNUG. And I believe I had 26 shares, and it was good. It was a good day. I definitely could have made probably another $10. I sold too soon, but again, I was locking in my profits, and I didn't really want to be too greedy. And that's just my own thing. I could have wrote it out and waited, but I also work during the day, so it didn't really spike up until like around 10, 11, 12, and then even around like 2 o'clock here when the market was going to close, it was pretty high, and I was like, man, I should have waited and sold now. But I locked in profits because it could have went the other way. It could have went straight down, and I could have lost quite a bit of money. So I'm glad that I didn't, hold on. It's just part of the game. It just all depends on our strategies and our plan. If that was my plan to make $10, boom, then that was my plan. So I also sold MU for 30-cent profit, sold Intel for another 30-cent profit. I sold AMAT, which is Applied Materials, for 67 cents profit. I then sold, I was trying to play JDST, which is the inverse of JNUG, and, nothing crazy. I only bought one share. Anyways, I lost 15 cents on that, got out real quick because I seen that JDST was just still falling. It was kind of not as volatile as I wanted it to be. If it would have went up even 50 cents, that would have been great, but that wasn't the case. So I got out. And basically cut my losses very, very minimum on that to only 15 cents. I also sold MU. Now, on the 23rd, this is where, I don't know what happened. I seen the market, basically correcting or looking like a minor crash. And I was like, oh, this is a great opportunity to buy some stocks and ride it up. Well, with Trump and everything and the tariffs on China and just kind of everyone not really knowing, they're not really sure about the market. A lot of the stocks have declined. I wasn't even in on Facebook, and I'll talk about that in a minute, how I cut my losses, and I'm happy that I cut my losses. And I did lose some money, but there are people out there with thousands and thousands of dollars in their accounts, brokerage accounts, that have probably have this long-term hold strategy. And this one little correction in the market, this dip, this crazy dip that we had this week, can honestly hurt them for almost a year, maybe 6 months to a year. It's going to take them that long just to get back up to where they are or were, last week. So I'm happy that I'm not riding that train with them, and I do feel for the people that are, who didn't sell and cut their losses to a minimum. That way they don't lose more, because it's still uncertain what's going to happen. On Monday morning tomorrow, the stocks could open and everything could just still be dropping. So I want everyone to be very cautious. I know there's a lot of people that I watch on YouTube as well that aren't being as aggressive this week trading. So just keep that in mind. Just kind of watch, sit back and watch the market a little bit this week. And if you find opportunities, take them. But again, cut your losses to a minimum. So with that said, let me go into this final day, week 23. I don't know what I was doing, but I got in, it didn't work out, and I had to get out. So I sold MU, and I lost 84 cents. I sold HD, which is up here, and lost $5.93. I sold NDAQ and lost $2.92. I sold City, and I really didn't want to just hold these anymore, so I lost $6.03. DWDP, I lost $6.98. CENX, I lost $3.96. And Facebook, oh my goodness, thank goodness, I only lost 89 cents on Facebook, guys. With that said, Facebook has dropped tremendously. It was like in the 190 mark, and it's down to like 164 now. I believe it's still going to drop. They have a lot of allegations going on about Mark Zuckerberg and, everything about their releasing private information and data to the elections and stuff. Is kind of what I am thinking or have heard. So anyways, with that said, guys, for the week, it says down $14.55, but we are down $9.60. I had profits of $19.82, and I had losses of $29.42. Now, I do have a couple pending dividends. I have 38-cent pending dividend from NDAQ, so that helped a little, not much. That's only about 50 cents. I made 6 winning trades out of 17 trades this week, guys. That's how many trades I was in. I was way too aggressive. And that is a 35% win ratio. That is just horrible. Horrible. I was doing so great at the beginning. I got a little bit ahead of myself. Didn't really look at the news. Thought I would just ride it up, and I didn't. I probably could hold long term and wait for it to go up, but I could also lose way more than $9.60. So I'm super grateful. I know I was at the $950 mark. I was up here, but again, that wasn't really necessarily locked in. And unrealized gains, guys, if you don't know, are basically you haven't sold for profit or loss. You're basically holding on. So you have the opportunity to still write it up and make profit, or the opportunity to still lose money. So those were unrealized gains. And right now I'm in with a lot of unrealized gains. I'm still at 105 for 3 months, 309 for a year. And it hasn't even been a year yet. Since August 15th when I opened my account, we are up 51%, guys. In 7 months, we're up 51%. Some of the stocks I'm holding real quick and what I am down on everything. DNR down 9, APVO down 5, AMD down 60 cents, DBX down $2.60, and DBX's Dropbox, that was a new basically company that just came out. There's really no information on it right now, but as you can see, it just came out, so it was an IPO. It skyrocketed up to about $31 here. I could show you the high over here. 31.60 is what it looked like it was on a high, and I got in at 31.40. It has dropped $2.60. So thanks, Dropbox. Hopefully you will go up on Monday. MU, I am down $1.92. I don't know what it is with me and MU. I keep getting in and I keep getting out. I keep getting in. I get some profits one week. I lose a couple cents the next week. But I like AMU. You know, as a long-term investor, MU is a great investment. And me just kind of swing trading it is, you know, also good. So Microsoft, I'm down $3.05, but that's also a great company. And then BA, this was my strategy on Friday. I was like, okay, I'm down $9. Let's make back that $9 real quick. I bought in at $324 for average share. I'm down $5.84, but look at here. Right at 2 o'clock, if I would have sold, I would have been up the $9. That would actually have been about, let's see, 329, 324, you know, 510. That would have been my $10. I would have broke even for the week. Guess what? I was at work, guys. I was working on Friday and I couldn't sell in time. And the market closed. By the time I looked at it, it was dropping. And I was like, you know what? Let's just hold it over the weekend. I'm sure it's going to go back up. You know, I mean, it has really good strength for the 3-month, 1 year, and 5-year charts. You know, it's Boeing, it's, you know, airplanes, aircraft. So I don't know. I think I was like, oh no, you know, the market's kind of messing up, but I sold everything, and then I was like, well, let's make that other $50 to get to 1,000, and got a little ahead of myself, and that's why we are now down basically $35 from 50. So that's kind of how that is. It's how the market is sometimes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy trading tomorrow. And if you guys liked it, please smash the like button for me, guys. Give me some support and share this to as many people as you can. Show me some love. Let's get this channel up to 100. We are right there. We're tipping it at like 96 subscribers. Thank you for every one of you guys that subscribe to my channel. And again, share it to everyone. Let them know about my channel. And guys, if there's something you want to know, ask. And if there's something you guys want me to research or talk about, just put it in the comments and I will make a video about it. All right, you guys have a great day.